Here I have Porsche Panamera 4S, and on this example I will show you how to change map settings in Porsche navigation. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the following home screen, then let's use the navigation button on the left side of the home screen. From the navigation, you can select this menu with the arrow. Let's just tap it. If you tap it, you can get access to the following view. Simply select here the last option, which is Set Nav, as you can see right here. And from the following view, you can choose here the map settings. So the first option right here. Under map settings, you've got here a few things that you can customize. So basically, you can choose few things to select the way the GPS navigation looks and what information it provides while you are driving. So the first option is map layers, as you can see right here. So this opens a submenu where you can choose what extra information to show on the map. You can choose online traffic, Google Earth, compass, or points of interest. You've got here also North app. You can check it or uncheck it. I prefer to have it unchecked. When it's off, the map rotates to follow the direction the car is facing. If you check this box, the map stays fixed with North always at the top of the screen. You've got here also the 3D map, as you can see. This provides a perspective view rather than a flat 2D bird's eye view. And the next one is, of course, 3D buildings. I also like to have this enabled. In major cities, the map will render 3D models of landmarks and buildings to help you organize your surroundings. So I think it might be useful to have this enabled. We've got here also date and night view, as you can see right here. And we can change it to automatic day or night, as you can see. So if we have automatic, the map turns dark at night and reduce the eye strength. If we have night, it will keep the dark all the time. All right, we've got here also the time display mode. As you can see right now, you can switch between driver time or arrival. This works with the settings above to show the estimated arrive time, and this shows how many hours, minutes are left until we reach our destination. Alright, we can also here enable or disable the display status line. Currently I've got this checked. This shows the small bar at the bottom with the remaining distance and travel time. So I think it's quite useful. Let's just remember about those settings, that you can customize them. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.